Hey friends, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I'm going to make a Thanksgiving meal. And most everything, not everything, but most everything was used from my Ibotta. And I got those free items from Ibotta. I got a turkey, I got some instant mashed potatoes. What else did I get? I got a frozen vegetable. I got cream of chicken soup. I got a box of stuffing mix. I got a packet of gravy, but I'm gonna cook most everything I got, like the turkey, the stuffing, the potatoes, and things like that. And I can't wait. I love Thanksgiving food, but I don't know why I don't ever make it but once a year. So I thought tonight I would do this. This is a Sunday before Thanksgiving, and I made a complete meal. And I haven't done that in a long time because we go to my sister-in-law's house and they do most of the cooking. We just bring some side dishes. So I wanted to make a whole dinner. I didn't make a dessert because that's going to be coming up afterwards in another video. But I went ahead and made all my favorite dishes. And 90% of what I'm using is what I got from my Ibotta haul. So I hope you enjoy this video. And there's a surprise. There's a surprise. I was very surprised. So you'll have to just watch the video and you'll find out why I was surprised. Okay, it's about 12 o'clock right now. The grandkids are here and they're having a blast playing outside. So I went ahead and laid out, well, I'm going to use these brown and serve rolls because I finally found some. They only have them once a year, which I never knew. So I'm going to make those, but I've got 3 other packs. I'm going to put those on a sheet tray and freeze those for later. Maybe I'll have them for Christmas. I'm going to go ahead and lay out some butter. I've got three sticks here. These are the salted ones. Let me get my coffee. I've reheated it like 9 times. Let me go ahead and get that. So I know I'm going to need a lot of butter. And I also went outside in the garden. This is my herbs are the only thing left out there. Everything else is done for. But I've got some rosemary, some thyme, and I got some chives. So I'm going to put that in my butter as well. And you can also make yourself some herb butter or some garlic butter, whatever you want. Just soften your butter, mix your herbs in with it, roll it in some parchment paper, and put it in a bag and freeze it for Christmas. If you want to do a Christmas turkey or a really flavorful chicken, or for anything, even your mashed potatoes, just do that. Just add the stuff that you love in it, and it'll be perfect. And here's my mistake. I bought a turkey breast instead of a turkey. Oops. And I've got the coarse kosher salt. And I'm going to put a good bit because you really want to season your bird. So I'm going to... And my oven is up to 325. Thank you, oven, for reminding me. I'm going to add some rubbed sage. I'm not measuring. If you know me, I don't measure. It's not coming out for some reason. A good bit of that. I'm going to put onion powder in it. Can't cook without onion powder. Pretty good bit because this is an 8-pound turkey breast. I got some parsley flakes. Put that in. Paprika. And I'm also going to add that thyme and the rosemary that I got out of my garden. I just stripped the leaves off. And some pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and just use my hands since I've got all those herbs on my hands anyway. I'm just going to combine it all together. It'll be good on anything. I mean, I think you could put it on a shoe and it might taste good. And at this stage right here, if you just want to make up your own butter and make it up in advance, just roll it up like this and put it in parchment paper, put it in your freezer. Now I've got my butter done, and I'm gonna take it and rub it in my turkey. I'm going to salt it one more time. Make sure it's nice and flavorful. Get some more pepper on there. Some more pepper on there. Sorry guys, I somehow didn't record me putting the butter on there, but I just put it up underneath the skin and then I covered the outside with the butter and then I put the salt and pepper on there. And I've got the oven set to 350 and I'll cook it for about 3 to 3.5 hours, and I'll check back and bring it out of the oven when it's 165. Okay, I've got about a half a stalk of celery and a half an onion, and I'm just going to go ahead and add salt and the other things that I used in the turkey. So I'm going to use a little bit of sage, a little bit of onion powder, and some parsley. And I've already added some pepper in there, so I'm just going to let this cook. And then after the vegetables get translucent, I'm going to add some chicken broth. I just took my broth in a bowl and mixed it with the box of stuffing mix, and I buttered my glass dish and just put it in there. And I'm going to put this in the oven and get it nice and crispy on top. Okay, my turkey, aka turkey breast, is out of the oven. I'm going to let it rest for about 15 minutes and we'll carve her up and get ready to eat. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make the mashed potatoes that I got for free. And I just put a little half and half in butter just to make them extra creamy and special. You know, you got to go all out when you make a Thanksgiving dinner, but this whole dinner almost was free, and you could always spend that little extra money if you have it and get a lot of butter or the half and half, or get the onions and celery like I did and add it to your stuffing mix and just elevate it a little bit, and that way you can have an inexpensive meal but still be delicious. Everything is done. I cannot wait to eat. It looks amazing. So on my free Ibotta turkey or turkey breast, this is what I got. I got my turkey breast, I got my stuffing, the box of stuffing mix, and I got mashed potatoes and gravy. I did not use the gravy packet because there was a gravy packet that came with the turkey breast. So I just used that and the dripping, so that was free as well. The only thing I had to buy were the eggs, and some people had eggs on their Ibotta free app. But if you bought your turkey and everything, or if you got everything else for free, you could afford to get some eggs or some corn like I got, or you could even use your free dollar vegetable to get some frozen corn. I did not do that, and I just opened up a can. So next time, this could probably all be free. All I bought was some 99-cent rolls. I had some 27-cent a pound sweet potatoes from Aldi, which was 87-cent for a whole bag. So this is a very, very cheap Thanksgiving dinner. If you have Ibotta, even if you only use Ibotta once a year, it will pay for your Thanksgiving dinner, or it would cost you maybe about $5. So you cannot beat that at all. So I am going to go ahead and make my plate. Y'all, this Thanksgiving dinner turned out amazing, even if I did get a turkey breast instead of a turkey. The grandkids were over for a little bit, and they had a blast with Doug pulling them around with the lawnmower in a wagon. It was just a nice, relaxing day. Didn't have to go to the grocery store, didn't have to go to anybody's house. And then after dinner, we got to keep all the leftovers. So be sure to check out my link in the description box to download the Ibotta app. It's easy to get the whole meal for free, and even if you don't buy anything else, they have all the essentials that you need, and it's really a cheap Thanksgiving meal. So let me know down below if you got a free turkey dinner as well. And I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next video.